Letter 325 to Sir James Stewart, Lord Provost of Edinburgh. Sir James Stewart of Kirkfield and Cultness, to whom this letter is addressed, was a man of high Christian excellence. Sir James Stewart, said the celebrated George Gillespie, has more sterling religion in ready cash than any man ever I knew. He is always agreeably composed and recollected, in a permanent devout frame of spirit, and such as I should wish to have in my last moments. Cultness Collections, page 15. He was a zealous Covenanter, and suffered considerably for his principles during the persecution of Charles II. He died March the 31st, 1681, at his own house in Edinburgh, in the 73rd year of his age, in the full assurance of faith. Rutherford wrote this letter on occasion of his own election to be Professor of Divinity in the College of Edinburgh. Right Honourable, the matter of my transportation is so poor a controversy, I, truly not being desirous to be the subject of any dying in the General Assembly of the Kirk of Scotland, who have greater business to do, and having suffered once the pain of transportation, most humbly entreat your worships that favour as to cast your thoughts upon some fitter man, for as it is unbeseeming me to lie or dissemble, so I must freely show you it will but make me the subject of suffering and passive obedience, and I trust your worships intend not that hurt to me, and I am persuaded it is not your mind. It shall be my prayer to God to send that worthy society an able and pious man. Grace be with you. Yours, at all humble observance in the Lord, Samuel Rutherford, St. Andrews, the last of June, 1649. For the Right Honourable and very good Lord, Sir James Stewart, Provost of Edinburgh, and remnant magistrates, councillors of the city